Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this in Solidworks. So let's start. As you can see that I am currently assembly mode and I am going to make all my parts here for the sake of simplicity. So click on insert components, click on new part, select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal screen to the view. First thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make a center rectangle. So draw this and its dimensions are 120 by 40 and let's get them dimensions here. This is 20, this is 60. Okay, and I have to make one more 40, 120. Go to the features, extrude, select these faces, extrude up to 40 mm, sorry 20 mm. Click OK. Now what I will do, I will click on fillet, select these edges, and this will be around 20 mm. Click OK. Now I will click on fillet again. I will select this of all the faces. Okay, how much it is? 20 mm. Click OK. Now what I will do, I will do some smart work. So now what I will do, I will click on shell, select this face and this face as well. You can add the thickness as per your requirement. Let's say 3 mm is the thickness. Click OK. So you can see that we have created a shape like this. Looks quite good. Now what I will do, I will select this face, click on sketch, and by pressing Control select these edge lines and click on convert entities. Draw a line from here up to here. Press escape. Now what I will do, I will use something called circular pattern. So which entities I want to pattern, select these. How much I want, 4. Click OK. Now what I will do, I will go to the features, extrude, reverse direction, 3 mm. Oh, my bad. I didn't add 3 properly, I guess. 3, and make sure merge result is checked on, else you will face issues. So this is how it looks like. Looks okay to me. Now let's add some fillet. Go to the fillet, uh, curvature continuous. Let's add 3 mm fillet. Click OK. And I have to add one more fillet. Let's say 1.5. Sometime a question comes to your mind, why there's need to add a fillet? Here's the thing, if you don't add fillet, the edges will become very sharp, and while handling, there's a chances that your worker or you will cut your hands or get a injuries. So that is the reason it is done. Fillet is added there. Sometimes it is added for the safety reasons, but most of the time it is basically for the safety reasons and sometimes for design consideration. Now what I will do, I will create some holes. So I will go here, click on the surface, click on sketch, draw a line like this, escape, draw a circle here, uh, 8 mm is fine, 8. escape. By pressing Ctrl select these 2 points, make it coincide. Now what I will do, uh, I will click on here, click on circular pattern, select a point about which you want to do pattern, select the thing that you want to pattern. Instances is 4, as you can see it's already 4 here. Click OK. Features, extrude cut through all. Click OK. Looks good to me. Now exit the resulting component mode. Now what I can do is, by pressing Ctrl and right click on your mouse, drag this part. Notice I have now two parts. Now let's try the second part. And what I will try to do, select this and rotate components. Click OK. Mates. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make sure that it is concentric. Click OK. So this is how it looks quite good to me. Now let's add some bolts. So instead of making bolts, we will use geometry, inbuilt design library. So click on toolbox, click on add in now. Now click on an asymmetric, click on bolt and screw, hexa head. So I will bring this up. So you can see it's M6. Let's choose M8. Okay, M8 is big. So click on M6, click OK. Close this. Go to the mates, select this face and this face. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Click OK. Now what I will do, uh, before I go move forward, let's select the part. Click on edit part. Select its not top plane. Okay, select its top plane. Click on sketch. Okay, not the top plane. My bad. Okay, top plane axis and the front plane for it. Now I will draw a center line here. Escape. Exit as component mode and draw a center line uh, in basically in assembly mode as well. Escape, go to the mates, select this line and this line, make it coincide, click OK. Now I will select the front plane and top plane of the assembly, click OK, and I will use circular components. Select the line about which I want to rotate, select the component that I want to basically make more. So it is 4, click OK. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, that's for all. So if you guys have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.